I'm Betty, and today we'll be doing a makeup look using the new BEAUTYSTA brushes from Lifestyle. First off, I'm going to be creating an eyeliner look using this brush. I like to use this brush because it's got an angle, but actually it's also quite thin as well, so I can get a more accurate line. We'll be applying colour to the whole lid of the eye. I'll be using this brush to blend it through before adding some darker and lighter tones. Wonderful. Now using this smaller brush, I'll be adding darker shades around the corner of your eyes. And using the corner of this brush, I'm just going to highlight in the centre of your eyes. So now I'm going to go on to the foundation. Now I'll be using this dual fibre brush just to use a concealer over the top. So I'm going to go back to use a fan brush to put on the powder, just because we're just doing this for a gentle coverage on the skin before I go over with the highlighter and the contour. And now just using the whole brush, I'm dipping it into the colour that I want and using upward strokes. I'm just going along your cheekbone. This brush I use for many things. Blending out eyeliner perhaps. Actually, I also like to use this one just to blend out brows. Rather than getting the harsh line, I'll just go over where I put the pencil. Now using this brush, I'm going to line the lips first with a darker colour